Welcome in, hon. What can I get you? Oh, delivery's free. I like the exercise.
Is this all I am? Just another hungry animal.
Come with no weapons, leave with big bargains.
I look human. Many monsters do. I will try to be gentle.
My dreams are too big for you to steal. Next time, I'll show you what I learned from this.
Reward the peaceful, punish the warful. I feel like that decision comes from a negative place.
Made short work of that one.
Next time, it'll last longer.
You've just taken the first step toward good taste. Buyer's remorse never. Be remorseless. Tell everyone you got it here.
These are my hunting grounds. Find your own, please. You don't want to do this. For a large game like me, you should go with a compound ballista with serrated broadheads.
Just close your eyes and grab something. Come on now. Just a little rust.
You say old. I say thoroughly tested. Our items have lived. They have stories.
I have too much strength for one blade. Ah! I will accept my punishment.
Nothing tiny, nothing huge. All about my... I used to offer a free ride home, but people thought it was weird. If it's not right for you, bring it back. I want you to be happy.
Curio sells junk. They don't make these like they used to.
Discounts for peace! Your aura guided me to what you needed.
The forests on Tegan would eat you alive.
You should know, I'm a bit of a legend on Pelago. Like my crew says at the bar, another round!
Take a swing at me? You couldn't swing a putter. Whatever happened to respect your elders?
Whatever species I am, I might still be growing.
You seem lighter. I think you had a breakthrough.
I could worry about my client's safety, but it might disrupt my beauty sleep. I hope you find what you're after, or at least survive.
There is a power in me I can't control. Be careful.
Why fight when we can feast? You poor thing. Have a cookie.
I'm finished with fighting, but I can help you finish a fight.
You'll be back with bruises.
Welcome to Trash Town, a completely real place. Now pay your taxes. Ah! Ah! Typical smear campaign.
If I'm not yet full blown, what will I become when I am?
Cast aside your deathstruments! Use that for the good of all. I'm so glad we could share this experience today.
Eat up, bulk up. I bet you feel amazing right now.
Whatever you want from me, it's not what you'll get.
You do see these tusks, right? I believed in myself, and I still lost.
Who do you work for? The Volkas? Municipality? Sky Patrol? Powerful forces want to silence me because I'm important.
I feel a change inside me. How much time do I have left?
I sense something blocking your power. Let's get rid of it. Thanks for trusting me. I hope we can do this again.
Use weapon when have creature.
Because I wish I didn't. I must warn you, I am more than I appear.
You may be too young to remember my films, but I was quite the rogue. Silver, gold, diamond, it all comes down to confidence.
Size dilutes the brain. Mind is highly concentrated. Neither wealthy nor wise, huh?
Haha! Milk won't save you from this heat! Oh! Fine! Put some mayonnaise on your food!
Every hunt is a new lesson.
They call me a sadist, but which is more cruel? A dozen bruising blows, or one lethal strike? Well, you know, but tell no one.
Well, howdy, hero. Trash is tragedy. Reuse everything. Hooey! Now that's a bargain.
Small things remind me of seeds, acorns, home. Oh, Midsworth is gonna yell at me.
I've been tracking you across the Outlands. Your scent is strong.
Are you sure? Have you noticed I'm huge? Hmm? Next time, I'll show you what I learned from this.
A precision strike is like beautiful music. So many parts in harmony. I add no markup for my labor. I enjoy it far too much.
Sale, no sale. I want what's right for you. Hey, that's okay. It's been nice talking to you.
The client overpaid for that one. But I'll keep whatever doesn't kill me makes me angry.
Got any new playlists for me? Fill the tunes, heal the wounds. Try not to almost die every day.
Sometimes I hate what I do to them. Sometimes I enjoy it. If you wake up the creature, what happens next is on you. The Bazaar is a good teacher.
Good luck, man. Let's have fun. When I first started, I lost all my Pickles games too.
There's no change it? Me? It was already like that.
These are my hunting grounds. Find your own.
Go ahead. Underestimate me. It makes this more fun. Bring her about! I've got another salvo in me.
What have you got?
This world has strange folk, strange ways. And I'm learning all of them.
Trust me, kiddo. You want to buy this before your enemy does. So who are you going to use that on? I don't want to know.
You want to buy that? I mean, excellent choice.
The Great Disc has all you need. Why must you plunder the heavens? The moon is small. There is no room for your greed.
Make deals, not war.
Man gets stronger. Finally.
Please, you don't want to do this.
We're out to dethrone a king, not to squabble with nobodies. I paint my ship red, but I don't use paint.
You say objective fact. I bet you could have sworn that was something else.
This world is full of noise. You must find the quiet within. You must first defeat your doubt.
Somewhere in all these carcasses, I'll find my answers.
My shop is a statement, a protest against mediocrity. Go on, back into your swamp of mediocrity.
Life, a longer life, is not always a
Creature gets stronger too.
That's what I'm afraid of.
Work is never done. It can always be better. My work is for the glory of Samaska. So, tell somebody.
Some hunters lay traps. I like to face my prey.
My fight isn't with you, but if you insist. Next time, boys, less blunder, more plunder.
Did it really change? Or did you misremember?
Another good hunt. Yes, and only monsters.
I am eager to test your abilities and to improve them immeasurably. You've learned much today, but there is so much more.
If I knock you down quickly, you will be safe.
I may look refined, but I was raised on the streets. Well, I ordered the dish. Guess I have to eat it.
Nothing is... Ask anyone. It's always been this way.
Good food. Eat the bones for stronger bones.
Too weak, creature born. A kill is a kill.
There's no one to change it. Me. It was already like that.
When the hunt goes this well, maybe too much meat. Gifted creature. I will try to be gentle.
We're out to dethrone a king,
not to squabble with nobodies. Land legs make you predictable. You move in straight lines.
Father, I might be joining you soon.
I was expecting you 0.5 seconds ago.
I'm getting closer to the answers. Sketching a map in my mind.
Tightened, tempered, oiled, and tubed.
Another good hunt.
Ah, yes, I have the truth you seek. Now, which truth were you seeking?
I didn't want to sell that anyway.
Something sleeps within me. Don't wake it up.
You should know, I'm a bit of a legend on Pelago. You fall like a boulder. I flow like the waves.
Some days I wish I could stop this. Most days I don't.